Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be showing how to control a servo motor using a rotary encoder and displaying its position on a LCD display. So let's get started. Here are the components required. You can check the description for links. Before we move on, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified on new uploads. Connect the jumper cables to the rotary encoder. Also connect jumper cables to the LCD display and the servo motor. Now, take a breadboard and connect one rail to 5 volts of the Arduino and another rail to ground of the Arduino. Connect VCC of the rotary encoder, LCD display and the servo motor to the positive rail. Do the same for ground. Connect the servo's signal pin to digital pin 9 of the Arduino. Connect SDA and SCL pins from the I2C module of the LCD to serial data and serial clock pins of the Arduino. Connect the clock pin from the rotary encoder to digital pin 6 of the Arduino. Connect the data pin to digital pin 7. Now we are ready to upload the code. The link to the code is in the description below. I have commented the code so that you get a better understanding of it. We are done with the project. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.